Benicio, can you explain what's going on right now?
So, what we're basically doing is we're having an experiment. We're basically doing seed germination viewers. So, we're putting them in a bag or cup, and they're either in light or dark.
So
they're getting sunlight and light in the classroom, or they're getting no light in the office.
So some seeds are getting light, some are getting dark, some seeds are in a bag, some are in a cup. And was there any other difference we're looking at?
Well, I think that the lima beans are actually growing better.
Oh, because we have two different kinds of beans,
I think they're
too.
growing better.
You think the lima beans,
bags.
so you think the best growing right now are the lima beans in the bags. Does the light or dark matter at all?
Well, the light might be a little more, but I think also the dark might be pretty good.
Excellent, thank you. That was a great explanation. So this table has the fava beans in their
Are we going to use
cups. You certainly can. And Julia, what was it that you noticed maybe growing on your?
fungus?
There might be some fungus or mold growing, yep. Makes it interesting. And then we came over here. Abe, you had a really interesting observation. Do you want to explain what you're thinking?
I'm thinking that the seeds that are growing in the dark are growing their roots first, and the ones that are in the light are growing their plant first.
It's such an interesting observation. Can you explain why you think that's happening?
I just saw everybody else's and
So,
I noticed it.
all right, so show me with your plant. Let's see what we notice with your plant. What do you notice growing on there? Do you think that's the root or the plant?
I think it's the root because it has spikes.
Oh. So it looks like it might be the roots because it has spikes, and your bag is in the
Dark.
dark. Excellent observation. Thank you so much, scientist troop. All right, Kia, you wanted to tell us something. Do you want to tell us what you're doing? You're filling out your observation sheet, right? Do you want to explain as a scientist what you're doing?
I'm just drawing the outside of mine.
Oh, so you're using the sheet to keep a record of what you're seeing?
Yeah.
I see you're making a very careful picture. Excellent job. Thank you so much. Great job.